Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video tutorial, I explain how to use Gorup Policy to clear Firefox browsing history data when logging out, and apply it to domain users. This method will ensure that users' browsing history is automatically cleared, enhancing privacy and maintaining security. From the client computers, when you open Firefox and open the history, you will find that it saves all the data in the history, which is the websites that have been visited. If you want to automatically clear Firefox history for domain users every time they close the browser to maintain privacy and security, you can do so easily by creating and applying a Gorup Policy object that does this. Open your domain server, and through the Server Manager dashboard, click on the Tools menu, and from there, select Gorup Policy Management. Then expand the foreset from the left side, and select the domain on which you will create the policy, in case you have more than one domain. Then right-click on the organizational unit on which you want to apply and link the policy, and from the menu, select Create a GPO in this domain, and link it here. In the new GPO window, enter an appropriate name for this policy, so that you can access it quickly later. And click on the OK button. After that, right-click on the GPO that was just created, and select Edit. This will open the Gorup Policy Management Editor window, so that you can configuration the policy correctly on the domain users. After that, expand the folders from the left to open the path that appears in front of you on the screen. You must import the administrative templates of the Firefox browser. I will leave you in the video description how to import administrative templates for Firefox in a Gorup Policy, and I will also leave you the path that appears in front of you on the screen. And on the other side of available policies, double-click on policy called History and select the option Enabled, and thus if the policy is enabled, Browser History, Download History, Search History, and from Data are cleared when the browser is closed. Then click on the Apply button and OK. You can now close all open windows, and I will go to the client computers again to verify that the policy is applied to the domain user. From client computer, the first thing you have to do now is update the Gorup Policy. Open the command prompt window and type the command to update the Gorup Policy, and wait until the update is successful, or you can restart the computer to update Gorup Policy. I will leave you the command in the video description. After updating Gorup Policy successfully, open the Firefox browser now and open the history data, and you will find that all the history data is there. Now close the Firefox browser window and open the browser again. Now that Firefox is closed, the policy is applied, and by opening the history, you will find that it is indeed empty of all the history that was saved on the browser, and thus the GPO has been applied successfully, and in this simple and effective way, you can automatically clear the Firefox history for domain users every time they log out of the browser. For more tech tips and tricks, let me know in the comments what other tutorials you'd like to see, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I hope the video was useful to you, and I also hope to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.